If the swipe to call or text feature is not working on your Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will show you how you can enable this feature. Now to do that, just go to your home screen and open the phone app on your tablet. Then go to settings, and from here just select other call settings. Now on this page you will find the option swipe to call or text. If this feature is disabled, the swipe to call or text feature will not work on your tablet. So you'll have to enable this toggle. And after you enable this feature, now if you go to the contacts app and if you try to swipe on a selected contact, as you can see, if you swipe to the right side, you will be able to call the selected contact. And if you swipe to the left side on the preferred contact, you will be able to message that contact. And this is how you can enable swipe to call and text on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.